You searched how to buy shares of Hyliion Holdings Corp. Hyliion develops electrified powertrain systems for heavy-duty trucks and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker HYLN. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy HYLN, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker HYLN to find the company listing. Select the result that clearly shows Hyliion Holdings Corp to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, check the basic company information and review the price chart for recent movement. Confirm the name and ticker match, Hyliion Holdings Corp, so you are on the right listing. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when the market reopens according to the platform rules. If your available balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming the purchase. After the trade clears, your Hyliion position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the link in the description to follow the same eToro example if you wish.